Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Tribit StormBox. This is on Amazon for $50. I'll throw a link up in the description. We're going to go through it today with you. This is comparable and is a competitor towards the JBL Flip 3 and 4. We're going to go and check it out. This has IPX7 waterproof. It has 66 feet Bluetooth range. It is really good bass and some other specs. So waterproof, bass, microphone. Oh, and it has a 20-hour battery and it has really loud sound. So as you can see, it has a Bluetooth version of 4.2. So it's not Bluetooth 5.0, so you won't get super fast pairing, but it's pretty decent. The drivers are 45 millimeters. It has a output of 12 watts, and then its 80 dBs. Frequency is from 70 to 20 kilohertz. It has a 2,600 milliamp battery, lasts up to 20 hours. Charging time takes about 4 hours, and it weighs about 545 grams. So let's get on to this product. Just got this today. So it says, welcome to be Tribit super user. And it shows you just some other things. You have the Tribit portable user manual. And it comes, you can get a black, blue, a navy blue, or a red. So that's pretty cool. You have a 30-day money-back guarantee or an 18-month warranty. You have a lifetime support. And you can extend your warranty for 12 months. That's pretty good. And it says, thank you for your purchase. Right here you have a thank you letter. So it says, dear customers. Pretty cool. You can go ahead and pause that if you need that. And here's the speaker itself. We're going to put that to the side and we're going to see what else is in here. A micro USB cable. And just another business card. Let's put everything in here real quick, and then let's put it to the side. Let's get onto the speaker. So here's the speaker. Here's the speaker. Looks really nice. It looks like a JBL Flip 3 or a 4. It's a little bit more squared, but it looks really nice. You have the bass on either ends, and they obviously move. It's better for the bass to be exposed rather than the inside of the device, because then it will sound a lot better and give more bass in general. You have some pretty big buttons here. This is volume up and down, and this is most likely something else. I don't know. I don't think this is an actual button. Oh, it is. Never mind. Okay, so you have a power on button, a Bluetooth, and a bass button. So you have X bass. You have a auxiliary port and charging right here, if I can get it. It's a little bit harder with gloves. Here we go. So you have a charging port. Charges that. I don't know. Oh, charges at 5 volts, 3.5 millimeter headset jack for auxiliary. And this is waterproof. Not water resistant, it's waterproof. So you could submerge it in water, which is really cool. You can take showers with this if you want to. So it looks really cool. It has a really good build quality. You have a nice little strap that is removable. You just have to take this part off. So it's optional. Has a good amount of weight to it too. It doesn't feel cheap. You have a nice fabric on the outside, and then the speakers, which are right here. Can't see them on camera. And then there's nothing on this side, I don't think. Oh wait, no, yeah, there's something behind there. But yeah, looks really nice. You have a lot of branding. Tribit right there. Tribit on the top. and not on the bottom. But it looks really nice. We're gonna go ahead and pair this to this device real quick. We're gonna go ahead and show you the sound. Alright, I really like how it's square because you can just put it on any angle without it rolling. So let's go and pair this. Let's go and turn it on. Press Bluetooth for 5 seconds. Does it not work? There we go. Alright, so we're gonna go to connect this. So it pops up right there. It's not paired. Oh no, it is paired. Alright, let's go and just search up a random song. Alright. So we got a song playing. So that's really good bass. Sounds really clear, really crisp. Really, really, really good bass. I really like the bass. I'm a really bass lover. Like, I don't know, I just really like the speaker. It's really good. Has really, really good bass, really clear sound. I'm gonna have to do the highs and lows test in the future video. But if I were to do other songs to do those, then it would be kind of hard because of copyright reasons. So yeah, but it's a really nice speaker. For $50, that's pretty good. I'll throw a link in the description like always. I'll see you guys in the next one though. Thank you for watching.